6.4, doing the last beat here. So it's described. Let's try to get this. We've state the sine. Okay, so this one's narrower. So the one above is harder because I made you do sine and cosine. This one I'm just saying sine. Okay, so sine equations. We know it's sine. We want the clock, which swings 60 centimeters. It's swinging back and forth. So anything that kind of repeats itself gives us a graph like this. Okay, so it's swinging back and forth. So it's swinging back and forth. The pendulum, it does this thing 5 times in 40 seconds. Oh, isn't that tricky of me? What am I telling you here? This is your period, right? So we're going to go 40 divided by, you can go, oh, please, you didn't even trick me at all. That's my period, right? I already got that part. If it begins in the center of the swing, so this one, see this one here, I said it started at the max. This one, I'm telling you, it begins in the center. But I was not very specific, which means I would accept more than one answer. So sometimes we do it on purpose, like, okay, I'll accept more than one. I said the center of the swing, but I never said if it was swinging one way or the other first, because if it starts at the center, I could say it heads this way or that way. So I would accept 2 answers. So when I draw this, again, I'm going to draw a little sketch for myself. You don't have to, okay? Again, this is optional. I'm just trying to show you what I'm thinking. Okay? So that means it's starting, oh, and there's actually 2 options because I think, right, tell me if I'm wrong, I don't think I was specific in terms of the way the graph works because here, technically, the graph could go from, it's total of 60 centimeters. So it could go from 30 to negative 30, but couldn't I also graph it from 0 to 60? Right? I don't think there's nothing specifically in the way I described it that would say one way or the other. So yes, I would accept both. Right? So some of these trig ones were like, yeah, because since it's periodic, since it can shift a bit, we would accept either answer. So I think that case I would be, yeah, both of them sound reasonable to me. It starts in the center, but I'm not telling you if it went up and down like this, or it could have went down and up. I don't know, right? So I would have to accept both. And they'd be the same equation, but one would be a negative in front of it. So I'd be like, yeah, then both. Same with this one. So I would either have through the center or not. So yes, I would have 4 versions of the answers, technically. Okay, so that would be okay as well. Dot, 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 dot. So same, same. Okay, so I'd have 4 versions. So these are all or. Okay, so sometimes we will accept more. What do I already know. Do you know the amplitude? Yeah. So the amplitude is 30. Either way. For this one, I would say the period, I already have it. Oh, I have to find K. So find K. So this will be 8 equals 2 pi over K. K equals 2 pi over 8. And yes, I know people can do this faster. It's pi over 4. So we got that. Do I need anything else? Nope, there's no shift. See, I gave you a nice one. Okay, and let's write the equation then. So let's write a couple of the versions. So I'll do these 2 and then maybe just those 2 here. But I would accept this one as well. This would be the same but translated up 30. Right, so same equation. So let's do these 2. So f of x equals 30 is the amplitude. Okay, I asked for sine, so put sine. The k is this. Pi over 4, no translation, so close her up. And that's it. Oh, that's it. That's 1. Or, so that's 1. And then, should I do, so that's the first one. I could have done the negative, so I would accept this because I wasn't specific. Does that make sense? So it would be the second one, so I'll label it. So this would be 1. And then 2, and then you want to do one of these, how would this one change? So if I did this one, so 3, so this is 1, 2, I don't want 3 answers, so just give me 1, and then also there could be a 4, blah, 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 right? But then here, how would I change this one? Depending on which one I gave, sorry, it would be here, the amplitude would still be 30 sine pi over 4x and then plus 30. Is that right? tell me if I'm right, good. And then, or I just don't want to do it, I'm bored. Okay? All right, lovely.